Hello everyone and welcome back to Trade Hub. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you stocks for intraday, which is for 30th of December. Okay, so let's review today's performance. Okay, so I had Apollo Hospitals on my list, and as you can see, these black trend lines were what was my analysis for the previous day, and I could see that price was consolidating over here. So I got a break, and then we had a retest of the break. Okay, and then I took the entry above the high of today. Okay, of today's candle, and I bought a stock option of I bought a 4750 call, and I had a stop loss below this candle and a target over here for almost 57 points. It was 60 points, but due to slippage, so it'll 57 points you can catch. Okay, and then I also had Dr. Reddy's on my radar, and as you can see, there was a similar pattern, like price is consolidating within this range for quite a long time. So I was expecting a break. Okay, and I entered over here. So this is the 5 minute candle, and then the break above the 5 minute candle, and I bought a call over here, and my target was hit. But I exited a little early because I kind of felt like there was signs of bearishness because of look at the rejections every time it took. So I exited a little bit early over here, around here, this point, yeah. I exited over here, so I got almost 1:1.5 risk reward. And I also had Tata Steel on radar. However, I missed the entry because I was preoccupied with those entries. So as you can see, Tata Steel also performed really well, and you can see price being consolidating, in this range for a while, and then finally gave a breakout over here. And my plan was to enter over here at this point above the break because there was a retest, and as the retest, as the high breaks, take the entry and then hold it around first target, and then this is my second target. So price clearly achieved both my targets over here, and I missed out on this rally, but never mind. Okay, so let's go for stocks which for today, or sorry, for tomorrow. Okay, so first we got on radar is ITC. Okay, so as you can see, price is consolidating very well in this range overall, and you can see that price finally gave a breakout and a retest on a 1 hour time frame. You can see that price broke out and now gave a retest candle, which is also a a bullish candle, a bullish hammer pattern. So tomorrow, in the first 5 minute candle, if I'm having a nice a bullish engulfing candle over here, I will take entry above the high with a target of almost 346.55. Okay, and stop losses according to you. Please make sure you manage your risk. Okay, if you're taking it in cash or in stock options, please make sure that you take within your risk. Okay, this is not a call or anything. This is just my personal view on the market. Okay, the second stock is again JSW Steel. Okay, so if you'll see it on the 1 hour time frame, okay, I can see like an inverse head and shoulder pattern over here. So as you can see, the stock broke out of this range finally over here, and it's gonna retest, minor retest. Okay, so on the 5 minute time frame, you can see there's a minor retest. So tomorrow, if price breaks above this trend line, and like a nice bullish candle again, I'll be going long for my targets of 739.95, 746 as my second target, and 750 as my third target. Okay, so mostly I might be going in cash for this trade because there are multiple target levels over here which I would like to trail and achieve. So let's see tomorrow. On my third pick is Maruti. Okay, so again on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that Maruti has been running on a trend line for quite some time in the past, and whenever it has come on the trend line, it's always bounced up. So you see here and give a nice up move. Again, it came here, it gave a nice up move. Came here, it gave an up move. So I'm expecting the same thing over here. Like it's come here, it's given an up move. So I'm expecting tomorrow price to come down a little more, touch the trend line, and once it touches the trend line, I'm expecting the on a 15-minute candle to get a very good rejection, because when it does, then I will go for a long side target for the first target of 9,000, then second target of 9,100. Also, these are other stocks which I'm currently watching. So that is Bajaj Finance. This is not most likely not a trade for tomorrow. However, if it does, so I'm expecting if Bajaj Finance creates a nice pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle over here, my first target will be around this level over here. That you could say around, yeah, 6,787 zone. Okay, that would be my first target. If it breaks down, my first target would be 6675, and my second target would be 6608. However, looking at the trend overall, I don't think so. Bajaj Finance would likely break down. and also I'm watching Wipro, because as you can see in the 1 hour time frame, it's kind of created a double top pattern over here. So I'm expecting tomorrow, if Wipro gives me a nice closing on a 15-minute time frame, a 15-minute closing below this level, I'm expecting a target of almost 395.